Hey everybody and welcome back. If you're look out for your downloads that you've done on your Spotify application, in this video we are going to provide you with the visual guide on how to find it. So let's get started. So for that, you can start by using Spotify application first. So I'm just going to use a browser for now. So you can type in spotify.com and open it up on your particular screen and log in if you are not logged in. And the thing you need to understand is music is available for downloads only on the premium version of Spotify application. So if you have the premium version, you just need to head over to your library. Usually you can directly find it on your left hand side once you open up the app, and you can just head over and find the section for library downloaded instead. So we have playlist, artists, albums. If you have downloads available, you'll be finding a separate file called downloads. So you can just go over and look for it and see your offline content there. And you can just go over and do so. Apart from that, you can even find your storage location technical, which is technical. So for that, you can just go over and find your own mp3 files. You can enable the local files. You can press Ctrl plus P. So just press Ctrl plus P. Or if not there, you can go to your files, look out for your C drive, and go to the user section and find the option for username here and app data. You may go to Acer from here, and within Acer, look out for your app data, and within app data, go to local, and from here, scroll down and find Spotify, and within Spotify, look out for the storage and open it up, and there you should be finding your downloaded music, the offline music on your PC. You can locate the folder containing it, and that's it. So that is it, everybody. You can follow this process for that. We hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.